And lastly, Justice B.V. Nagratna has today voiced concerns during a courtroom exchange about implication of delimitation based on population figures. Observing demographic shifts in the country, Justice Nagratna noted that while population growth is declining in the southern states, northern states continue to experience high birth rates. She remarked that such trends have triggered apprehensions that population based delimitation could reduce parliamentary representation for the southern states. The observation came during the hearing of a batch of petitions related to Surrogacy Regulation Act before a bench comprising Justice Nagratna and Justice Satish Chandra Sharma. The specific petitions being heard were filed by couples seeking permission for a second child through gestational surrogacy. Under Rule 4, subsection 3, clause C, part 2 of the Surrogacy Regulations Rules 2022, a couple is disqualified from opting for surrogacy if they already have one healthy biological child. The petitioners argued that despite having one child, they fall within the exceptions under Rule 14, citing medical grounds and repeated failed IVF attempts. These comments, though made in the context of surrogacy case, reflect broader demographic and political concerns that have been increasingly voiced about India's federal balance and regional representation. Let me tell you, the bench questioned the rationale behind the petitioner's desire for a second child through surrogacy. Justice Nagratna asked why the couples, both of whom already have healthy daughters, were seeking another child. Advocate Priya, representing them, explained that the intention was simply to extend the family and it was a matter of personal choice. Well, during the proceeding, the court also inquired whether one of the couples had undergone sex selective abortion. The advocate firmly denied the allegation, clarifying that the pregnancy was terminated only after a doctor's recommendation, that too due to life threatening medical condition. She added that the couple has been trying for a second child for 8 years. When the advocate drew a parallel with China's declining birth rates and the shift to a two-child policy, Justice Nagratna responded that the situation in India was different as there are so many people in the north who are going on and on having children. The court did not issue notice in the present case but ordered it to be tagged with another petition which also challenges the same provision of the surrogacy rules and disallows a second child through surrogacy if the first is healthy.